Four-leaf clover. Four-leaf clovers actually exist, guys. Me and my son were exploring my garden and we came upon this guy right here. As you can see, it is real. All these are threes. Three. Giant three-leaf clover. And out of all of them, there is only one four-leaf clover. As you can see, it's very real. That's so crazy. Out of all of them, only one four-leaf clover.
I found it.
My son found it.
Hi.
That's my son.
Hi.
My garden of one chili. See, one chili. The grapevines.
Grapes.
This is the garden of one chili and grapes galore. The grapes overpowered the garden, did not allow anything to grow but one itty bitty jalapenos. Jalapenos or jalapenos or jalapeno. That is it. My son's fascinated about the four-leaf clover he discovered in the one jalapeno garden